Hey guys, this is Renegade BMX. I'm going to do a bike check on my custom Mongoose before I sell it, if anyone's interested. Because I'm probably going to get a new DK Cincinnati. Alright guys, so here's the review. Well, first of all, I have Shadow Conspiracy neon orange grips with the covers. Pretty nice for $5 from Dance Comp. Really nice grips. Come with the twist-ons too. Don't know if you can see that, but got two of those. Also from Dance Comp, I got the Dice inner tube twisties, twist-on things. Rear inner tube. Got two of those, about $4 a piece. I got a Haro seat that my dog chewed up. It's really nice, actually, really comfortable for riders that mostly sit down, like I do. And I got a Dance Comp sticker and a Fly sticker and a 25th anniversary Dance Comp sticker. I think it looks pretty cool with the neon orange here. I got Haro Fusion pedals, worn out. Got those. I have a 39 tooth sprocket. I got paint on it because I couldn't cover it up when I was spray painting it, so it doesn't really run. Well, it runs. You can ride it, but it squeaks a lot. I have a Backstreet Flatland tire and all-purpose tire, Mongoose, and I have no idea what kind of tire this is. The bolts are kind of rusted out there, but still rides fine for my first bike. I mean, I can't really do 180s on it that much, but it's really grippy. I got a Mongoose stem here that's stock. The frame's stock. The handlebars are stock. Tires are stock. Well, that's my bike check on my custom Mongoose. Alright guys, look out for my tutorials and jumping videos. This is Renegade BMX. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace guys. Thanks.